Hi everybody, I just received this dryer vent cleaner kit in as a gift and I thank you for that. It's very simple to use. You're just going to put one end into your end of your vacuum cleaner. If it doesn't fit, all you need to do is pull down this rubber hose and it'll fit beautifully on your vacuum cleaner hose. And then what you're going to do is take this end, turn on your vacuum cleaner, empty out the vent, and look at all that lint. This reaches so deep into my lint holder and it's collecting all the lint. You just turn on your vacuum and it vacuums it all away. You can even use this for outside on the outer dryer vent as well. And this is just cleaning up so well. It's unbelievable. I love the hose. It's durable. And then it also comes with this brush that also goes very deep in just to pick up that extra stuff, and you can literally scrape it on the edges. Look at all the lint that is coming out of my dryer. This so needed cleaning, and this thing is amazing. Look at all the gunk that just came out of my dryer. And then what I do is I just take the hose again and I just vacuum everything up. Don't forget to do the back side also, and that's where the brush comes in really handy, is to do the back side as well. And then I just take that little nozzle and I clean the inside of my dryer, and you can use this to clean off the vent holder as well. And then to clean that little brush that it comes with, I just take the hose also and I vacuum the hose with it as well. Look at that. It comes right off of the brush. This is absolutely amazing.